what's going on, guys? Steve here, Rake and Profit. And in this video, I just want to talk about some of the reasons why I am so freaking obsessed with selling on Amazon and specifically flipping from eBay to Amazon. This is what I've been doing for about 5.5, going on 6 years. I've done over $3.5 million in sales. I've made well over $500,000 in net profit. Last year, I did over $130,000 net profit. And I want to talk about some of the things that I love about this business, okay? So number one, you can do it from home. You can literally source from home. For many years, in order for me to find books and DVDs and electronics and tools and board games and video games, I would have to drive to thrift stores, garage sales, meet people off of Facebook Marketplace, library sales, so on and so forth. But with eBay to Amazon, you could use tools like Reselling Catcher, and you could literally sit at home and source items. You don't have to leave your house. Now, I don't recommend it, right? Let's keep a good balance here. Let's leave the house from time to time. But I love that I could source from home. Additionally, you could source at any time. Right? If you show up to Goodwill at midnight or you show up at 4 in the morning, they ain't gonna let you in the doors. But eBay's open 24/7. Another thing that I love is, since I come from like a thrifting background and I thrifted for many, many years, if you watch any of my videos on my channel, I used to go to thrift stores and buy clothing and I would travel the whole country. What I love about buying from eBay to flip on Amazon is it's like a 24/7 thrift store, right? Because a lot of the stuff that I'm buying on eBay to flip on Amazon, books, DVDs, board games, video games, it's people who are literally buying their stuff from thrift stores, selling stuff around their house. Maybe they're finding it at a garage sale. It's like a 24/7 digital thrift store. So you could do it from home. You could source anytime, and it's like a thrift store, right? Because for me, I don't want to do boring private label and have to spend $50,000, $100,000 to rank products and all this advertising and importing from China and buying, like people that do wholesale, right? They show big numbers, but they never tell you how much money they're actually making because hardly any of them are really making any money, right? They might have made some money, but they've got so much overhead, so much debt. It's like, what are you doing here, right? They're building a business that 99.9% of people can't make money with. What I love about eBay to Amazon is 99% of people can do it, right? Because you could buy stuff on eBay for $5 or $6, similar to anybody can go to a thrift store. Anybody could go to a garage sale. But the thing is, not everybody has the time to do it. A lot of people, have kids, they have to babysit, they can't leave their house. If you're a stay-at-home mom and, you don't want to drive all around to thrift stores and bring your kids and all that, sourcing from eBay, it's just freaking fantastic, right? It's fantastic. And you can buy items super duper cheap, right? You can get items at really just inexpensive prices, right? And what I like about buying from eBay is you're buying from everyday average people, right? Like, when you're going, and maybe sourcing from wholesale suppliers, you're sourcing from like savvy business people. When you're doing private label, like you're having to import products and rank and you're competing with like other really crazy businesses, right? When you're doing eBay, you're buying from just average resellers, kind of like how thrift stores make tons of mistakes. I used to always say in my videos, who cares if a couple of the employees know what they're doing? There's so many products going through a thrift store that products fall through the cracks. And it's the same with eBay, right? These aren't like professional, some of them are professionals, but even then items fall through the cracks. And one thing I want to mention on that as well, even professional eBay sellers who are pricing their items correctly, there's still a ton of opportunity. Why? Because we're buying from eBay and flipping on Amazon. Why does a Reebok shoe, maybe not Reebok, but maybe like a FUBU shoe, or maybe you go to Costco and you buy a piece of clothing. Why can you get a t-shirt from Costco for $12 that's private label, but you have to pay $52 for a Nike shirt, right? It's all brand, right? And certain brands and marketplaces do better than other, like they command more money. What I'm trying to say is you can have a $30 DVD that the market value on eBay is $30 all day long. That's what the sold listings are showing. That's the market value. But on Amazon, that same DVD could literally sell for $60. So you could buy items that even at market value on eBay, but they sell for much more on Amazon because the platform commands more money on specific products. Another thing I like about eBay to Amazon is you can have softwares do all the hard work for you. Now, when you're like maybe going to a library sale or a thrift store, there's softwares as well that you can use. And, you look at a bookshelf and you scan all the books, but that's a lot of hard work. You have to go through every single book to scan it. But there's softwares like Reselling Catcher that will literally scan millions of products. Reselling Catcher is tracking over, I think 3.5, almost 4 million products now. And all you have to do is set up an ROI, a profit, choose a category. Maybe you want to go after used DVDs that are maybe selling for over $40 on Amazon that make at least a 50% ROI and a $12 profit. All you have to do is choose that filter, click search, and it's going to share with you hundreds and thousands of opportunities. And the cool thing is with Replay Catcher and sourcing from eBay to Amazon, every single day there's thousands and thousands of new opportunities, and Replay Catcher's sourcing and scanning through all of them and bringing you the good deals. When you go to a thrift store, as much as I love thrift stores, right? I'm not here to, poo-poo on thrift stores. I love thrift stores, but there's only so much inventory coming into these thrift stores just because there's only so many people donating, right? But on eBay, you're worldwide, like literally the whole entire world, and there's just so many opportunities. So not only can you do it from home, you can source anytime, you can be drinking a glass of wine and, you could be sourcing, but you can use these softwares like Replay Catcher to do all the heavy lifting for you. Now, another thing that I like about eBay to Amazon, and I've kind of already touched on this a little bit, but the profit margins are freaking insane, right? I told you there's a big difference between the eBay price and the Amazon price, but the profit margins are absolutely insane, and for one reason. On eBay, you can make best offers. So you could take an item that maybe someone's selling it for $30 and you can make a best offer for $20 or $25. And that might not seem like a big difference, but that could turn your ROI on an item from 50% to 80%, right? So making best offers on eBay is just, it's huge. I mean, if you go to a thrift store and you try to put together a deal, a lot of times they're going to say, no, we got corporate rules, we can't do it. I mean, you'd be lucky if they even let you in the back room, which some thrift stores have allowed us to do that over the years, but you can make best offers and you can negotiate deals. You can send a message. Matter of fact, I have a good friend of mine, Jason, who's in my eBay to Amazon Facebook masterclass group, which by the way, if you want to learn how to do eBay to Amazon flipping, I teach how to do it for free. Join my Facebook group. Jason I think he's in the process of doing a deal right now. He posted it in the group where he's going to be buying like $100,000 worth of Legos from an eBay seller. So you could put together incredible deals. You could build amazing connections by doing business on eBay and building relationships with these businesses. Now you've got to be careful doing business with some of these, sellers on eBay behind the scenes. eBay doesn't like that. I don't recommend doing it, but there are people who do that. But I mean, you could build really awesome relationships and make awesome connections. Now I want to share two more things that I really love about this. I got to go inside. I'm getting a massage soon, so I don't even know what time it is. I think I might be running out of time, but I'm going to say right here, one of the things that I really love is you could train people to do this for you. So I have a full-time staff. I have virtual assistants from the Philippines that I pay around $5 per hour to use Replay Catcher, source all the items for me and purchase on my behalf. Now it's not easy to train somebody to do that. I've been working with these people and, I even call them my friends now. I don't even look at them as staff and employees. They're like family, right? Because I've been working with them for 5 years. It obviously takes a lot of training and whatnot, but they've become better at sourcing than I am. And the cool thing is using websites like Onlinejobs.PH, you could find people who they even told me in the Philippines where they live, their wages, a lot of times it's $1.50, $2 per hour. My team, they've got a $5 per hour base salary, but they earn much more with incentives. They're earning 2 to 3 to 4 times as much money working with me from home than working for a BP company or, the different jobs, restaurant jobs in the Philippines. So that's really great. And then last but not least is you can actually use a third-party company called a prep center. I use Little Owl Prep to buy all my items on eBay. And I didn't do this at first. For the first 4 years, 3.5, 4 years, I had everything come to my house. And I'll show you some clips I posted on Instagram of packages showing up to my house. But now when my virtual assistants buy items with Replay Catcher, they get shipped to this third-party company, Little Owl Prep in Ohio. Then they inspect everything. They ship it off to Amazon FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon, and it gets checked in and I get paid. So I'm able to do this business now without having to physically touch the products. I'm not having to source the products. I don't have to list the products. I don't have to price the products. The prep center does it all. My virtual assistants do it all. And it's just a incredible business. Of course, it takes capital and hard work. And, there's definitely a lot to it, but you could start very small. And there's just so many opportunities, guys. I love eBay to Amazon flipping and just want to share some of the things that I love about this business. So if you want any help, check out my free Facebook group, ask a comment, question down below. But guys, in 2026, there's so many opportunities. I did $750,000 approximately last year, 130K profit. This year, plans to do over $1 million in sales, maybe 1.2. Plans to do maybe somewhere between 160 to 200K net profit after paying team, VAs, refunds, everything. So guys, I am so freaking bullish on this. And I'm telling you, if you want to source more deals, check out the Facebook group, check out Replay Catcher. And if you have any questions, let me know. Here to help you guys. Much love.